Welcome. Before we dive into the details, just a quick reminder that the link to purchase the Logitech G915 X Lightspeed wireless mechanical gaming keyboard at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This keyboard is a premium choice for gamers and professionals alike, combining cutting-edge wireless technology with high-performance mechanical switches and a sleek design. The Logitech G915 X offers a full-size layout with double-shot PBT keycaps that provide durability and a premium typing feel. Its brushed aluminum finish not only looks stunning, but also adds to its robust build quality. One of the standout features is the tri-mode connectivity, allowing seamless switching between Lightspeed 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and wired USB-C modes. This flexibility means you can use it across multiple devices without hassle. Performance-wise, the keyboard features low-profile GL Clicky switches with an actuation point of just 1.3 mm, delivering fast and precise keystrokes that are perfect for gaming and typing. The fully programmable keys, with up to 15 functions per key through Logitech's KeyControl software, let you customize commands and macros to suit your playstyle or workflow. Additionally, dedicated media keys and a volume roller enhance convenience during intense gaming sessions or daily use. The RGB LightSync backlighting supports up to 16.8 million colors, allowing you to create personalized lighting profiles that sync with other Logitech G devices for a cohesive gaming setup. The lighting not only looks impressive but also helps in low-light environments. On the downside, the premium price point might be a consideration for some, especially given the high-end features. Also, while the keyboard is wireless, some users may notice a slight latency compared to wired-only models, although Logitech's Lightspeed technology minimizes this effectively. The low-profile keys may require a brief adjustment period for those used to traditional mechanical keyboards. In summary, the Logitech G915 X Lightspeed wireless mechanical gaming keyboard is an excellent investment for gamers and power users seeking a combination of speed, precision, customization, and style. Its robust build, versatile connectivity options, and advanced features make it stand out in the crowded mechanical keyboard market. Don't forget, the link to buy this keyboard at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to grab this fantastic keyboard at a great price.